A fan can pass every factory test and still arrive unusable. The last meter of handling can erase months of engineering.
Packaging is therefore part of delivered product condition, not a decorative step after production.
Start with product vulnerability and the real route. Record mass, center of gravity, fragile clearances, electronics, loose accessories, climate, handling equipment, transport modes, and duration. Then turn each hazard into a packaging requirement.
Before the first wrap, lock the model, revision, serial or lot, quantity, accessories, and prepack condition.
Photograph the accepted configuration.
A package that protects the wrong item or misses an accessory is still a failed delivery. Restrain the fan through structural mounting points or a designed base.
Limit motion in all axes while protecting the inlet, impeller, shaft, and wiring. Do not let blocking material press on parts that were never designed to carry transport loads. ESD protection is requirement driven. First decide whether the assembly contains electrostatic sensitive parts and what protective function is needed.
Then select compatible materials, close the protective boundary, add handling instructions and retain verification evidence.
Moisture and corrosion control must be one complete envelope.
Consider route climate and duration, product cleanliness, barrier continuity, desiccant or inhibitor selection, indicators, and whether the system must be sealed or ventilated.
Record the planned protection period. Cushion around the already restrained product.
Maintain clearance, protect corners and protrusions, fill voids without loading the shaft, and route impact forces into strong structure. Select the outer carton or crate for the defined route, then validate with an approved test plan.
The pallet must carry the unit load. Check payload, center of mass, deck and runner load paths, structural fasteners, fork entry geometry and stability.
State a justified stack limit or a clear no-stack rule instead of relying on appearance.
Treat the container as a transport system.
Check floor and point loads, mass distribution, longitudinal blocking, transverse bracing, lashing geometry, door clearance and unloading sequence. Heavy cargo can still slide or tip under transport acceleration.
Make every package traceable without opening it.
Link package identity to the order, destination, content list, mass information, handling symbols, accessory map, packing photos, and shipment documents.
Marks must be necessary, legible, and consistent.
Dispatch and receiving close the same evidence loop, count, condition, seal or vehicle identity, loading photos, carrier handoff, receiving count and condition, then a defined damage or shortage escalation. Evidence must survive the journey with the product. Before packing begins, write 10 fields: product vulnerability, route, restraint, ESD decision, moisture plan, cushioning, pallet and stack load, container securement, marks and records, and receiving protocol.